right. And the man never tell them. Every time them go to the man says, no man, I never saw World Cup, keep everything here.
No, it's not a Shibada video. And yes, me call him Shibada because when me call him fish or Bada fish, you have a few persons in the comment section complaining. Anyways, this is a play video and it's a fun one. It's a compilation of a few great Jamaican plays featuring the king of comedy, Oliver Samuel, Glenn Campbell, and we'll kick it off with Father Big Pants.
Pumpkin.
Yes, boss.
Some rice there on the same location we used to have it. Sin?
Yes, boss.
Wrap it that. Two in a mackerel.
Boss,
Yeah.
you mean that same rice that we have from them long time ago when we up here?
Yes, pumpkin.
That the rice that good all full of weevil they know.
Pumpkin.
Yes, boss.
2 weebly night in our cookie.
No, I'm cooking.
Let me tell you something. All you have to do is get the rice and put it in the pudding pan. Pour water upon it, weevil foot, box off, weevil. Rice! A pumpkin.
Yes, boss.
Me know why you believe that you are at a restaurant. Why me make you cut us in a pumpkin?
No, boss.
Because you don't know no man can take food and catch me. Pumpkin. You cut for the small side, I get slim. Sure.
That's a one too, man. Jesus, the chemistry.
You feel good, man. Me not the bed I'm one beat all the cat and my things can't even stand up.
Between me and you, it never always stand up.
Nobody come with that, pumpkin. Nobody come with that. Because from you leave, you make things stand up every Sunday morning.
Father Big Pants, I have man problem. When I say man problem, I mean male problem, genital problem, manhood problem. The boss I walk around with funeral in him pants. Mass Big Pants, all you probably need to do is to change your pants. It's too big. It's a hamper, whatever you have in your pants, sir. And the lady no easiness, the lady say, yo, I like that your thing now stand up. Anyways, the craziest part is Mass Big Pants are true. Water on the rice, the weevil fly up, you box them off and cook my rice. Don't ramp with Father Big Pants.
Teach the children's pure foolishness about African culture.
Youths embrace them Africanness and you for learn your culture. You for know where your roots there.
Yes, me have roots, cause me a ackee tree.
Stop nyam pig. It'll damage your brain.
If God never want us to eat pork, he wouldn't invent pig.
So you name John Crow?
The Bible say, have nothing to eat, cause it have 2 toe, but does not chew the cud.
A 2-toe pig have
Yes, Bev.
in all.
Each foot.
You know? How 2 toe would a share for 4 foot?
Yeah, teacher. And you don't even know how much toe have?
Yes, me supposed to know, because I mean have come to for manicure. Stupid.
The boy boxed me in front of the entire class.
So if him did take you one side and box you, you would alright?
A student box you?
Box me. And the pronunciation about you? You know, see, say your jaw take time swell like gumbo island.
Let me see. Oh! 5-finger printout.
What?
5. So all him big finger box you too? What is a rotted box you get? So Jen,
Your box him back? Suppose him call him Poopa Shotty already.
Like the grill.
Get up, up. Push. Move.
Mr. Turnbull.
If they have him cell phone?
Of course not. Cell phones aren't allowed in class.
you think alligator picnic business about rule? You think box out teacher jaw teeth they on the curriculum?
I wish teacher box Jagan.
I had the altercation with your son, Mr. Reese.
Talk plain. Are you box dragon?
Why it have to be a woman? You see, if I did ever you, I would have nasty you up in her today. You would have nasty me up, boss. You would have nasty up myself. As a matter of fact,
Glenn Campbell up himself. You know, sir, who then say Glenn Campbell not funny? I still can't believe somebody really comment that the other day in the comment section. If you know the name of the play, just comment in the comment section. That play we just watched a while ago with Glenn, the teachers them. The teacher get a rotted box. The box so hot, pot what can't come out of her mouth. A straight proper English. The box said twist her language. Unlike yesterday, where Glenn Samuels and Oliver, Glenn Campbell rather, and Oliver Samuel in a classroom don't know Spanish from Italian from French. At least it's a teacher know English. One hard box make you know English. Anyways, we are move on to the next one. This is Oliver. For some reason, I think you went to jail. Oliver, in this video, you are the oldest 21-year-old I've ever seen in my life. Not even hard life, Oliver. A hard life, drugs, rum, everything. Stress, everything make you... No, sir. 21. Your boss said, you can go kindergarten, all-age garden, Seaview garden, Tivoli garden, and go to some prestigious schools too. Oliver can't come on even in Jamaica, man. I ain't gonna lie. They probably, we call it copyright strike, the video, because Oliver video them, that's why I'm not do much Olivers. Them always kind of copyright thing. I don't know why. Oliver not really make a use in thing them. But anyways, hope you like the look of video. If you like it, just give it a thumbs up. Share the video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. And as always, stay safe and God bless.